Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show Epic Games library. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. As you can see, I'm currently on my desktop. Now, in order for this to work, you do need the Epic Games Launcher app downloaded. So you can do this on the actual Epic Games web browser. You do need to download the app from the website, but once you've got that downloaded, all you're going to want to do is open up the app. And if you look up to the left hand side, you can see the library option here. So if you give that a click, then you're going to see all your games in your library. Now sometimes this doesn't show because there's actually a setting where you can actually turn this off so you don't see the library. So if that's the case, for you to change this, all you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto your profile icon, and then from here what you're going to want to do is come down and click on the settings. Now under settings, you're going to see a section called preferences, and if you actually scroll down a bit in preferences, you can see the option here which says game library. So you can see this is unchecked at the moment, but if I go ahead and tick this box, we're going to get a confirmation, send disabled game library, and if I click OK and then I come out of the settings, you will see when I come out of the settings, we are back on the dashboard and we don't actually have this pre-visible anymore. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.